It's been a whole year since I posted my first YouTube video, my binge eating road trip video. So in honor of that anniversary, I have decided to recreate the day. Let's go. First stop, coffee. Okay, thanks.
All right, starting off real nice and easy. Just give it.
Nike.
Yep. This one I haven't heard very many times. Think different.
I was gonna say like Apple or Microsoft.
Yeah, it's
Apple.
got milk.
Oh, like Oreos?
No.
I don't know. I don't know who's I know the.
Yeah. It's called California Milk Processing Company.
Oh, yeah.
Come on.
Duh. So last year I planned on getting a donut at Marianne's Bake Shop, but the line was too long. So I'm actually glad I didn't, because I'm not going to do it this year either. Food stop number 2 is definitely going to be the most unhealthy part of my day, but it'll be good.
Stop lying.
I got a bacon, egg, and cheese
Sure.
on a plain bagel
Okay.
and a large coffee.
Large coffee?
Honey.
Nope.
Do you want a glass of water? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
She thought all that was sweet.
All right. If you need anything, holler.
Perfect, thanks.
Yeah, I'm just...
No. I have had like.
Yeah, but it's like I look good. Don't forget to eat your fruit, kids. Thanks a lot. Thanks, you too. It's getting sunny out, and I forgot sunglasses.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
How you doing? We're gonna be here less than 8 hours.
15 plus tax, $16.
Good, thanks.
We're serving some killer smoked meats.
Atlantic City. There it is, Tony's Baltimore Grill. So I read about this pizza place in Atlantic City. Never tried it. Sounds good. That's where we're headed. Can we just get a large pizza?
We have
half
one
plate?
size.
Oh, okay. That's good then. Large or small, whatever you want to
It's
call
a
it.
small, 12 inches, 8 small slices.
Okay. Half plain, half grilled chicken.
Sure.
That's it.
Okay.
Thanks. Do you know what this is? Have you ever seen one of these before?
Can't say I have, no. What is it?
Like a jukebox. I don't know. Somehow you switch the selections, put your money in, pick a song, and it plays it. All right. Thanks a lot.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. Honestly, it tastes a little bland to me, but I guess it wasn't too bad. So I had a lot of fun today recreating my video from last year. I kind of forgot how much I love vlogging. It was a fun day. I am very full now though. Although I do think I saved enough calories in my day to have some Halo Top mint ice cream. In fact, I think I can eat this whole thing. Probably gonna put me at about 2,200 calories, 22 or 2,300 calories for the day. Trying to be at maintenance at about 21, so probably gonna put me a little over, but I'm gonna splurge. Anyway, I think that's gonna wrap up the vlog for the day. It's such a nice night out. I think we're just gonna go sit outside and maybe roast some marshmallows.
And all the lights are out at midnight. I'm alright. In hindsight, 'cause all that's left here now is starlight.
This stairwell could not smell more like urine. It really couldn't. Like if somebody was peeing on me, it would smell less like urine than it does now. I mean, am I right?
He's not even exaggerating.